Hellcat.
What's up, Thatboytre here, man. I got another cooking video for y'all. I slick like cooking a little bit, so you probably gonna see more cooking videos to y'all sure. Alright, so today we're doing hot cheese sticks. Alright. So let's get to the video. So first, everybody know, always wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Alright, so in this video, you need string cheese. It don't matter what brand. You know, this brand is Frigo, something like that. But cheese, little cheese sticks. Alright, need eggs, flour, as you know, main important ingredient, hot Cheetos. So, first, we're going to peel all the cheese. Alright. Peel all the cheese. Alright. So, make sure you have your grease on medium or medium high. Alright. And now we're going to first these boys. You have a chop blender or a regular blender. You do a big blender. So we're going to see how it's going to turn. Not a lot of Cheetos in here, but we're going to put some and chop it up. It should be powder like this. And you should do it. You only two chops. Add a little more. Get that little Cheeto dust. You really don't need a lot, but that's up to you to do. I was just looking at the eggs. You ain't gotta add no salt and pepper or anything. Alright. So, this is what you do. Grab a cheese stick, dip it in the egg yolk, dip it in the flour. Alright. Go back to the egg yolk. Alright. Y'all looking? Alright. Put it back in the flour. And one more time back in the egg yolk. Alright. Then, get this out of the way. Put it in here. Cover it in Cheeto dust. Make sure it's all covered. Every single corner. Alright, the next thing though, come right here. And gotta do the magic. Now it should be in like 2-3 minutes. It don't take that long cheese. Same thing, egg, cheese. I said it, yeah, egg, flour, then egg, and back to the flour. Egg one more time. And as you see, it's gonna come up. It's gonna be done already. It's easy, simple job. You want to see how it come out though. You gotta come out good though. First time, everything you see on what I'm doing is everything first time. Like, I'll be amazing. Be surprised when it still happens. Alright, please do not leave it in there too long. Alright. Going to like 1 to 2 minutes. Let me take it out. Let me show you how it's gonna look. Alright, the cheese melt fast, and this is hot grease. So, we're gonna do some more. And right now we're gonna try and see how it came out. Your results probably be a little different from mine. If you like crumble the hot Cheetos all the way like to dust. I did mine, but it was like little slight chunks. And as you see it, it should be coming out like that. I'm surprised. This is my first time. And for this to go, I already know it's gonna taste like hot cheese. Still take the hot Cheetos and stuff. It came out well. It came out great. It was really good. I gotta make this some more. Alright, get this thumbs likes up. Like this video up. If you want me to do a big one, like all together. Like a big hot Cheeto cheese. But it's good. It's hot. A little spice, but it's great. Thanks for your time. This is really good. And see y'all in next videos.